Welcome back to the Joy of Painting with Hunter Swanson. Today you'll need your 8 brush and your fan brush. You'll also need your praying paints, which I have right here, and you'll also need your tempera. Now why don't we go ahead and get our brush wet, and let's take a little bit of red. And why don't we start off by making some X's right there. Now I do realize my red looks a little funky. It's because I didn't fully wash off my brush. You heard that right. I didn't wash it off. That's not good. It's never good. I always say you should really clean off your brush. But it's fine. It looks really good. Just make little X's. It's okay. And now you can wash off your brush. Should probably get a paper towel. It's a little dirty from all the other paintings I've made on this series so far. Why don't you go ahead and take some praying blue. And again, just little X's up there at the top of the canvas or paper, whatever you're using is alright. You can go ahead, just make little X's, like, it's okay, just keep on making little X's. And then we'll go in with some water with the blue, just making lines like this. Just go back and forth, mix the water. Now I was thinking, what about a little orange? So you can go ahead and get your brush set with some praying orange. I always like praying orange. It's got a nice hue to it, I'd say. Just make little X's. I always use little X's for the sky. It's very nice. Gives a nice blending, I'd say. And now once you got your orange down, well, been meaning to get some new paint brushes. Now always make sure you don't have a wet canvas. I don't really like working with wet on wet, unlike our friend Bob Ross. See? This is what happens when you don't dry off your brush. You always gotta dry off and clean your brush. It's a good habit to get into. And now, you can dry off your brush. This will be the last time you do that. You can dry it off. Then just go back and forth, up, like this. Going from yellow all the way to blue. Just to blend it. You gotta blend it. Gives it some nice hue. Now, you can get your paintbrush set with some white. Remember, always make sure your white's nice. Just give your water some highlights. See, I always say, every single water I make has to have some highlights. Because the sun always shines down on it. You can get your paintbrush dried off and cleaned for next episode. Because today will be a very short one because I gotta go. You can leave your painting like this, you can let it dry, or you can do your own techniques to the painting. Anyways, goodbye, and I will see you next time on The Joy Painting with Hunter Swanson.